I'm going to show you how you can use your TI-84 graphing calculator to add, subtract, and multiply matrices. So we're going to go to the matrix screen, which can be found right here above the inverse button, to enter in our matrices. So it takes you to here. We're going to scroll over to edit, and we're going to add all the elements in matrix A. So I'm going to start off and do a 2 by 2 matrix, and this is where you enter in your dimensions. So 2 by 2, make sure you hit enter after every one. And now we're going to enter in our elements. Now this is going to go from left to right, so just be aware of the way it is getting entered in. Make sure that you hit enter after every value. Okay, and I'm going to enter another matrix, another 2 by 2 matrix. So I'm going to go back to the matrix screen, scroll over to edit, and down to the next one I want to enter, and I'll just enter it into B. And I'm going to do another 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, once you have your matrices entered in, you want to go to the run screen, which is the normal screen that you see. You're going to go there by hitting quit. So second quit. And now we're just going to pull the matrices. Now you have to get them from the matrix screen and put the operation in between them that we want. So we're going to add first. So second matrix, I'm just going to hit 1 because we're going to use the A matrix. We're going to add that to the B matrix. Make sure you're grabbing them from the matrix screen. Hit 2. And it adds the corresponding elements. If you want to subtract, you simply put them in subtract. So second matrix, we'll do A minus B and you can also do scalar multiplication. So I'm going to multiply, let's multiply matrix B by -5. So -5 times matrix B, and every element has been multiplied by -5. Now I'm going to also show you how to multiply matrices. I'm going to add another matrix to show you what will happen if your dimensions aren't lined up correctly, because remember, you can't always multiply every single matrix together. They have to, their dimensions have to line up correctly. So I'm going to go back to the matrix screen, and let's enter in a third matrix down here in C, and this time we'll do a 3 by 2 matrix. So 3 by 2 matrix, and enter in this information. Okay, and go back to the run screen here. I'm going to clear this off. So now let's do matrix A times matrix B. So go back to the matrix, do matrix A times matrix B, and then it's done the correct matrix multiplication step. And now let's grab a different set. And so if you are familiar with your matrices, we can do C times B or C times A, but the reverse isn't necessarily true, because remember, multiplication is not commutative when you're dealing with matrices. So if we try to do A times C, it's not going to work out for us. So let's try that and see what it gives us. So A times C. And it gives us this error message, and that's saying the dimensions are mismatched. Okay, so just like I said, you weren't able to do that. But let's see what happens when we do matrix C times matrix A. We are able to do that, and the calculator performs it very quickly.